Hi, this is Laurent from DubiCars, and we're here with another special car today, the Suzuki Jimny from Dresden Motors. This is a Brabus kit Suzuki Jimny 2022, brand new. Click on the link below to find it on DubiCars.com. So this Suzuki Jimny Brabus kit, a couple of special features that we have on this. It's got a nice Brabus grille here. It's got the front bumper and the Brabus headlights. It comes fully loaded with features like Bluetooth, climate control, cruise control, an MP3 interface, power windows, and a rear camera. It also has 4-wheel drive, ABS, airbags, traction control, a differential lock, and a tire pressure warning system. But as you can see, this particular Jimny is far from stock. It's been fitted with the official Brabus body kit, which gives it an aggressive and sporty appearance. The kit includes 18-inch alloy wheels, LED and xenon headlights, a new bumper and grille with the iconic Brabus logo, carbon fiber wing mirrors, side skirts and side steps, a dual side exhaust that actually sounds surprisingly good, a new spare wheel case, and new headlights and taillights. It also has a rear spoiler for added aerodynamics. All of these features combine to create this truly amazing Jimny that's one of a kind.